In this problem, we're looking for an equation for a tangent to the graph of y equals arcsine of x over 2 at the origin. So we're looking for the equation of a tangent line. This requires that we have a slope and a point. The slope is just going to be the derivative of arcsine of x over 2 at the origin, and our point is going to be the origin, or 0, 0. Just to recall, the derivative of arcsine of x is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And here we're going to have a chain rule because our inside function is not just x but x over 2. Alright, so the derivative then will be y prime is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus whatever the inside function is, x over 2 quantity squared. Then we're going to multiply by the derivative of the inside function, and I'll just write it out this way first, times the derivative of the inside function of x over 2. And the derivative of x over 2 is just 1/2, because that's 1/2 times x. It's the constant multiple rule. So we end up with 1 over the square root of 1 minus, we'll just leave that in parentheses there. I could multiply out the x over 2 or square both the numerator and denominator. We'll leave it as it is, times 1/2. And basically we're done with the calculus part. All we need to do now is find y prime of 0, which is 1 over the square root of 1 minus 0 over 2 squared times 1/2, and that's just going to be 1 times 1/2, or 1/2. So that's the slope of our tangent line, and the point is at 0, 0. So we now have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Plugging in y minus 0 equals 1/2 x minus 0, and leaving us with y equals 1/2 x. But that's not one of the choices, so we're going to multiply, put it into standard form, multiplying both sides by 2, and we end up with 2y equals x. Bringing everything over with the x staying positive, we get 0 is equal to x minus 2y, and that is answer choice A.